CMBM is trending up before the 88%. This is Thursday, the 30th of October, 2025. Yesterday, it expanded massively. Intraday high in this session, $7.68. No, sorry. Yeah, $7.68. Okay. The company has integrated its one of its systems with Starlink. And yesterday, we covered it. It was expanding still has continued with that expansion today, but is losing ground, rapidly losing ground. Maybe short sellers have observed that it's easy to sell this to short the stock. It's easy to do so. No borrow rate at all, nothing. Though short interest is around 12% or thereabouts. The float is not a tiny one. Okay, so that's what's going on right now. Let's see whether it's aggression that we are dealing with. It looks like liquidity is also not that. So aggression, I can say yes, aggression and highly active aggression is definitely what part of what we are dealing with on both sides of the aisle. Yeah, aggression. Even though some there's a decent amount of looks like a decent amount of price discovery, but obviously aggressive hands are the ones in control. As things stand right now. In terms of volumes, let's see how many shares it has moved. 162, yeah, yeah, sure, surely aggression, yeah, indeed, a mix of things, a mix of uh, a decent amount of price discovery, yes, yes, Um, what can we say? What can we say? We have extrapolation saying that the strength is going to remain in place at least up till Wednesday, the 5th of November. Then after that, there might be a contraction coming all the way down to Friday, the 5th of December as well. So after 1 month, it may have finished the contraction of this expansion that is extrapolated to peak at around Thursday or Wednesday, the 5th of November. And then maybe resume the uptrend from then. No guarantee that this will be the case. Projections are saying 1.14 downward projection. Indeed, we have here 7.68 upper projection. Okay, let's see whether we can. Yeah, easily all the positions opened all the way back to 200 days ago are in profit right now, and those moving averages are trending. The 10, 21, 40, and 200-day moving averages, they are all trending. On the 1 minute chart, let's see whether we can find upper projections. Current price is 5.26. Yeah, so we have 5.83. Before now, we had 6.59. So we want to see something higher than 7.68. Let's see what we have here. 6.7, 6.69. Yeah, we have 7.78, 8.33, 8.68. Okay, we will need to see some more ambitious projections. Yeah, let's see what we have here. 6.49, 6.41. Okay, let's go to the 3 minute chart and see. Let's see what we have here. Let's see. 6.98, 7.65, 8.43, 8.92. Yeah, 7.08, 7.37, 7.21, 7. Okay, 7.92. Okay, a couple of them. Let's try the 5 minute chart. 7.68, 9.4, 8.92, $8. Okay. Okay, yeah. There are projections, and one can always even project them, calculate them. Yeah, one can always calculate for high projections, even higher than what we have here. Quite a volatile stock. So 6.8, and then we take out 4.81. Okay, that will just give us roughly 1 point. Let's just say 1.99. 1.99. Let's see. but it's giving up all this of all the gains around up. Okay, 1.99 multiplied by 1.618. We have 3.21. Add that to 4.9 1.99 multiplied by 1.618. We have 3.21. Add that to $5. We have 8.21. I think we've seen that already. 1.99 multiplied by 2.618. We have 5.2. Add that to 5.05. We have 10.25. We haven't seen that. Okay. To 1.99 multiplied by 3.618 Fibonacci extension level. We have 7.19. Add that to 5.06. We have 12.25. So yeah, those are possible, but just be careful. Just be careful. The stock has at some point at this sort of level, at 7.68, it had already expanded by over 10%. Over 10x. Had already expanded over 10x since yesterday, the 29th. Okay, so no, we haven't noticed anything in terms of high call volumes or high option volumes. Nothing like that. Nothing like that. Short interest is okay, high. So that's we can't rule it out. It's there as well. 12 around 12%, and it may be growing with what's going on right now. Borrow rate is very almost there's no borrow rate at all. You can easily sell the shares short, so that may be going on, but nothing. I don't think there's anything coming from the option side in terms of gamma squeeze. It's just people are buying more. It's the stock is not popular, and maybe they have people are just beginning to realize what they're missing on the stock, amongst other things. So it's not well, we can't rule out short squeeze because short interest is around 12%, and that was probably in place before what we're looking at right now. So we can't rule it out completely. Okay, so yeah, we can rule out short interest. You can rule out a short squeeze going on some sort, but we're not seeing high uh, options volumes, and we're not seeing high borrow rates as well. The sort of things that can um, feed into, they can lead to short squeezes and volatility and all that stuff, expansions. So we haven't seen that any of those. Volume so far very high. Yeah, very very high. Let's have a look again. We have 168 million. Average 50-day volume is 14.797 million shares. So it's quite a popular stuff. 14.797. Yeah, so that's quite decent as well. Okay, just have a look and see what you make of CMBM, and thank you very much for watching this video.